Hey, welcome back to another video of AI Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to use Grammarly AI. First of all, you need to install Grammarly on your Windows. After that, open up your Word or anything. Now select the text you want to change. Here, you can see the Grammarly icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. Click on the small light bulb here. After that, you can type any prompt here. Or you can also get suggestions from here, like improving it, shortening it, or you can get more ideas. Click on respective button. Now it will generate a message for you. You can click on insert to add this to your word. You can also get more ideas by clicking on this button and choose any one of the options from here. After that, it will work on it and generate you the answer. If you are not satisfied with this answer, you can simply click on retry button. If you are satisfied with it, you can click on insert and it will add it to your Chrome and it will add it to your word. So that is how you can use Grammarly AI. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.